easy go.
First open the Play Store and search Neutron Music Player. Scroll down, then you see the Neutron Music Player. Click to the read more. The Neutron Music Player company can update it to 22 July 2.11.0. So how you can download it for free, not paying 550, it is too costly. So follow to me step by step. Open the Google Chrome, search Neutron Music Player 2.11.0 APK. Click to the second link of Neutron Music Player 2.11.0 APK paid APK Google. Now scroll down. You can see the blue color downloading icon. Download Neutron Music Player 5 2.1 APK paid free. Click to the blue button icon. You can see the download link. Click to the download. Go to the red dot. Click to the download button. You can see the Neutron Music Player is downloading. So you can facing any problem while downloading this, you can comment me freely. I will try to solve your problems. This is only 80.66 MB APK and 550 points. Click to this and get installed. Wait for installing. Click to open. You can see the Neutron Music Player starts successfully, not verifying license verification, or I will play some music for it. You can listen it. You can see they can also in Play Store can be available. You can direct open in Play Store also. Now I can install this.